Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing the Nike Bayou Ja 3. Oh yes, this is a custom colorway, you feel me, in that Ja 3. We're going to go over the look, the fit, and definitely the traction, and it's only right that we give you an on-feet portion of this video. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So like I said, we're going over the Ja 3. You know, the Ja 3 is one of the most hyped basketball shoes that are out right now. And so we went ahead and ordered the Ja 3 in that Nike Bayou, which is going to be, you know, where you create your own colors. You know, you can do red, blue, green, whatever you want. And these are actually for my son. You feel me? They're not for me, they're for him. Basketball season is coming up, so you know we had to get him some new basketball kicks, man. So let's go ahead and dive into these joints. We're gonna go ahead. We got the box right here. Give it that good slice. Boom. Let's see. We can go ahead and open this up. Now, one thing I do want to say is it does take a good amount of time for the shoes to come. So if you order something through the Nike Bayou / Nike ID, it's gonna take a while because these were ordered. Let's see. I believe these were ordered in October and they just touched down maybe, let's see, maybe about a week or two ago. So let's go open these joints up. See, we got our box right here. Boom. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. We got the box right here. Nike Bayou. Boom. We got these joints right here. Let's go ahead and take these out, man. Oh yeah. Get the nice pull-out box. You feel me? Got the pull-out. Now my son, he did design these, so he picked the colors, he did everything, but I just want to show you guys, so just in case you were in the market of, you know, ordering, that you'll be able to see it also. Boom. Oh yeah. These are tough right here, man. We got the Ja 3. We got that black coming up and down on these joints. We got the black sole. We got that teal coming across. Pink tongue matches with that pink Nike sign. And like I said, he did put the color combo together and I like it. It came out really good. We got the green laces right here. And if you can see, hold on, let me see if we can get a close-up right here. But it does say Ace. So he did throw the Ace on that joint. We got the Zoom X right here. Oh yeah, he put these together, man. And then we got the right shoe right here, man. We got the right shoe. This is like a hyper pink. Got the matching black bottom right there. Then he went with the teal Nike sign, teal tongue, same green laces. So yeah, we got like a mismatched joint right here, man. Fire. Fire. And I like the way this Nike sign is kind of metallic on this joint. Got a good shine to it, man. Yeah, these are tough, man. So, oh. And on the other shoe, let's see if you can see that back. The other shoe, it says him. So we got Ace and we got him, man. And you gotta believe, you feel me? These tough right here. He gotta get at least, I need at least about 30. You rocking these joints, I need about 30, man. But yeah, they look super, super dope, man. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna have him hop on the video, man, cause he doesn't know he got him just yet. So I'm gonna show it to him. You feel me? I'm gonna try to get it on video.
Thank you. This is custom too. Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, White B. You move this box out the way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Come in, come in, come in. Here you go. You like them?
Yes, I love them.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about, you know. New hoop shoes. You feel me? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Back up a little bit. Okay, there we go, wifey. Yeah, man. Yeah, nah, those are tough. Those are tough.
Yes, they are. Thank you.
You got it, man. How many? You gonna drop 30?
I'm gonna drop 40.
Ooh, we gonna have a 40 ball. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, we gonna get to work though, man. We gonna get to work. You feel me? Let's do it. And right here, we are trying the shoes on, and the shoes definitely look good. I went a half size up. I definitely think with these, they have more of a narrow toe box. You can go a half size up, so you just have a little bit more space. But overall, the shoe is really nice. Good court feel. He definitely said that there was a lot of cushion on these, so I think that Zoom X does play a big factor in that. Very responsive, very bouncy, and good traction, man. Overall, a great shoe.